If you or someone you love is living with Parkinson's, this could be one of the most important updates you hear this year. For the first time, scientists may have found a way to slow down, or even stop, the progression of Parkinson's disease and target the actual cause of the disease in the brain. The treatment is called UB312, and it may completely change what Parkinson's care looks like in the next few years. Because I know how important trustworthy information is, I've included all the research links and original clinical sources in the description below this video for you to review anytime. So here's what you need to know. UB312 is a new type of therapy developed by a biotech company called Vaxxinity. And instead of working like a pill that wears off every few hours, it works more like a vaccine. It trains your own immune system to recognize and attack a toxic protein in the brain called alpha-synuclein. That protein is one of the biggest drivers behind Parkinson's. When it clumps up, it damages brain cells and makes symptoms worse over time. Think of UB312 as a cleanup crew. It teaches your immune system how to spot the problem and clear it before it causes more damage. That means this drug doesn't just fight symptoms. It goes after the root of the disease. So where are we right now? UB312 has already passed its first human trials. It was tested both in healthy volunteers and in people with early-stage Parkinson's. The results were promising, it was well tolerated, and the body produced the exact type of antibodies scientists hoped for, the kind that can reach the brain and bind to toxic alpha-synuclein. The next step is Phase 2 trials, which will test whether the treatment can actually slow down symptoms in real life, not just in lab results. Now, the big question everyone wants to know, when will this be available? Realistically, if everything goes well, we are looking at 3 to 5 years before possible approval. Maybe sooner if the trials go exceptionally well, maybe longer if there are delays. Who will get access first? Most likely people in early stages of Parkinson's, the group where slowing progression matters most. Later stage patients may still benefit, but not as strongly. What about cost? There is no official price yet, but because this is a biologic, vaccine-like therapy, it will probably be expensive at first. We could be talking several $1,000s per year unless insurance or national healthcare systems cover it. That will depend on your country and your insurance provider. Now let's talk honestly about risks. So far, UB312 has had a good safety profile, but we still don't know the long-term effects. We still don't know if the antibodies will remain effective for many years. And we don't know how well this will work in people with more advanced disease. It's also important to remember that several other drugs targeting alpha-synuclein have failed in the past. So nothing is guaranteed. But here's why UB312 is different. Instead of injecting lab-made antibodies, the body makes them itself. That may lead to longer-term protection with fewer injections and lower cost over time. And that approach, teaching the body to fight back, is something scientists have wanted for decades. So what can you do right now? Number 1, if you're in early-stage Parkinson's, talk to your neurologist about clinical trials. You may be eligible for UB312 or another disease-modifying study. Number 2, stay informed. Trials are expanding, and we will update you as soon as the next phase begins. Number 3, keep doing what already helps. Exercise, diet, medication timing, physical therapy. UB312 is not a replacement. It is an upgrade that may be added on top of what already works. Now imagine this. It's the year 2028. You've been living with Parkinson's for a few years, but instead of watching your symptoms slowly get worse, you receive a treatment that protects your brain from further decline. You keep walking, talking, playing with grandchildren, enjoying your life for longer than anyone expected. Not because the symptoms were hidden, but because the disease itself was slowed. That is the future UB312 is aiming for. If you found this useful, please subscribe to Senior Health Formula. We break down the latest medical breakthroughs in simple language for real people. Share this video with someone you care about, because hope grows when it's shared. Stay informed, stay hopeful, and take good care of yourself.